Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you are fine and healthy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My dear friends, today I am going to teach you how can we create automatic students list. For example, you are working in a school and there are more than 500 students. So how can you search their data with their picture? So this video is going to be very important for Excel user. So first of all, I am going to show you practically, then we will create. So I am going to click on my data which is ready. So here you can see students list. I have 10 students with their name, their father name, picture, class, fee, fine and total. So this is the data of students. So I can increase more students, but I have already entered 10 students. So when I search here, for example, when I enter 7, so you can see number 7 is Asim. His father name is Fahim and he is in level 2 class. Fee and fine total 660. And along with you can see his picture. When I enter 3, you can see number 3 Naveed and his father name is Hernando, etc. So if I check here in student list, you can see on number 3 Naveed, Hernando and also his extra data. So how can we compose this data? Remember that you must be confused if you want to search a student by his name, just like Asim. So there is no data. But after watching this video, we can also search a student by his name and also it will be working properly. So let's get started. Dear friend, first of all, you have to compose a data just like student ID, student name, father name, class, fee, fine and total. And also you have to apply a border on all the cells. You can compose a data in the form of your choice. You can compose according to your choice, not like mine. So this data I am going to create for my academy students. So how can we do that? First of all, you have to write the name of the students. You have to type the name of the students, just like student's name, student ID, father name, picture and also class, fee, fine, total. You will know about that. Then you have to rename this sheet. I have already renamed by name of search bar and I have already renamed this sheet by name of student list. So you have to work here. We will apply a formula in this sheet. First of all, just type 1 and then click in the cell of student's name, and then I am going to apply formula here. Just equal to index started bracket array. You can see it needs array. You have to go to student list and array. You have to select the column of the students. I have to select all the column where I work, then comma, and you can see here row number. It needs row number. So here you must increase match function, and then started bracket. So you can see it needs lookup value. Lookup value will be over there in the search bar. You have to click back, and then this is the search. This is, we have to click here in the cell of student ID, because we will search a student here, then comma, and you can see lookup array. I have to click on student list, and then lookup array is this column, the student's ID column. You have to select this, then comma, and you can see between less than and greater than exact match. Just type 0 and then bracket close twice and then enter. So when I type something like 2, 3, 4, 6, for example, on number 6, here in search bar there is Asad. If I check here in student list, so you can see who is on number 6. On number 6 you can see Asad. So here the same Asad. If I type 3, so on number 3, here you can see Naveed, and over there it will be the same Naveed, you can see. So just go back, and then the same formula in the cell of father name, equal to index started bracket array. Array is the same, you have to go to student list, but this time you should not select student's name, you should select father name, because I am going to find student's father name, and then I have to select all the cells where I work, then comma, and then match function, started bracket, and lookup value we have to go back. This is lookup value, because I will search students from this cell, and then comma, lookup array I have to go and click on student list. Lookup array will be student ID number, so I have to select all the cells where I work, then comma, and then enter 0 and bracket close twice. So if I enter some number, you can see number 5 Ali, and Ali father's name is Kifayat. So let's check. Number 5, who is that? Number 5 you can see Ali and Kifayat, and then go back, the same formula in the cell of class, just equal to index and started bracket, equal to index started bracket, and then you can see array, the same array, just click on student list. Now you should not select student name column or father names column, I have to select class column. So select this column, and then comma, the same match function and started bracket. Lookup value is the same, go to search bar and then click in on the cell of student ID, comma, and lookup array, just click on student list and select the column of student's ID. Select well where you work, according to your work you have to select, then comma, and then enter 0 and close bracket twice, then enter. So you can see Ali is in level 2 class. When I search number 3, on number 3 Naveed, his father name Hernando, and he is in level 1 class. Let's check. Number 3 Naveed, you can see Hernando, and he is in level 1 class. Okay, go back and also apply the formula for fee, fine and total, equal to index and started bracket. Array, array is the same. Just select the column of fee, not class. You should not select students, father or class. You have to select fee column, because I am going to search find the student's fee. So select 12 and then comma, the same match function match, and then started bracket. Lookup value is the same. Go back and click on the cell of student ID and then comma, and lookup array, just go to student list and you have to select the column of students ID. I select, then comma and 0, bracket close twice, then enter. So you can see the fee is appeared. And now hit the turn of find, just equal to index and started bracket. Array, just go to student list and then just select find column, just select find column, and then comma and match, started bracket. The same lookup value, we have to go back and click on the cell of student ID, then comma, and then you can see lookup array, it's the same. Select the column of students ID and then comma 0 and bracket close twice. Finally, total, the same formula, equal to index, started bracket. Array is the same. Go to student list. Array, we have to select the column of total, because we searched the total of the student. Then comma, function match, started bracket. Lookup value, just go to search bar and click on the cell of students ID, then comma, and then just click on student list, and you can see it needs lookup array. So the students ID column is lookup array, then comma 0 and bracket close twice, then enter. So you can see here, when I search students ID, so you can see Excel gives me the correct data of the student. For example, on number 7, student's name is Asim, his father name is Fahim, he is in level 2 class, and you can see fee, fine, and also total. Just go and check out him. We have to check him on number 7. He is here. You can see Fahim, Asim Fahim, level 1, level 2, ATC. So the same data is also here. So now it's the turn of picture. How can we get the student's picture? But my dear friend, you will be confused that if we do not know about the student's ID, we want to search the students by their names. So how can we do that? So just go to student list and then just copy the student's name. I am going to copy. Just click on copy. Here you can see copy, and then select the column of student's ID and just click on paste and then escape. Just go there to search bar, and now you have to search anyone by his or her name. For example, Asim, I need to search Asim. So you can see Asim, his data with his name. For example, Asad, you can see his data and also his name. So it depends on this column. Whatever you write here, so Excel will give you the correct data. So if you want to enter student's ID or name. So here in the search bar, just search by names or by number. It is your choice. So now it is the turn of picture. How can we do that? First of all, I click on student list and then I click on this picture and I copy it, just copy and click on search bar, and here just click on paste. Okay, and also you must adjust the picture. Here I am adjusting the picture in the cell of the picture. Okay, then what can we do? Just click on the formula bar. You have to click on the defined name and name manager, and then you have to click on new and rename this thing, this pop-up button. I have to rename by name of PICTURE, by picture. So here we will enter a formula, just delete, and now the formula is the same which we already entered in the cells of name, further name, class, etc. Just equal to index and started bracket. Remember that do not enter tab from your keyboard. Okay, index, just I have to go to the students list and then I have to select the column of the picture. So this is the column of the picture. You have to select all the picture and then comma, again match function, match, and started bracket. Do not enter tab from your keyboard. And then I have to click on search bar. You have to click on the student's ID, then comma, you have to click on students list, then click and select the column of students ID, and then comma, and then 0 and bracket close twice, and then OK, and then close. So everything is done. Just click on this picture and click in the bar of formula bar equal to PICTURE. This is the name of the picture. This is the name of the bar where I renamed that bar by this name, and just double click on it and then enter. So you can see, just adjust the picture according to the cell for decoration. When I search a student's name just like Ali, so you can see his picture. When I, for example, I search Asad, or for example let me check who are with me. So I have Zaib Ahmad. Okay, let me check Ali. This is the data of Ali and also his picture, and also the data of Zaib. So this is automatic data of the student. So you can create this data very easily. Just follow the video method how I done it. So my dear friends, I hope you must get the points. You must learn something from today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I humbly request you, if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe our channel and also hit the bell button for upcoming notification of the video. Thank you so much.